Hi guys, and it's me again, and let us now differentiate your proton pump inhibitors, your histamine 2 blockers, and your antacids. So here we go. So again, first let us discuss your proton pump inhibitor. In your proton pump inhibitor, ganito po yung ginagawa ko. Nagsusulat ako ng dalawang malaking P, then isang I. Your PPI. So, lahat ng mga medication na nag-end sa prazole, dito po siya. Prazole. So what are your examples of this? Your omeprazole, your pantoprazole, and any kinds of prazole. And here, ang ginagawa po dito, it inhibits your acid production. Ang beses po tinitake, once a day. Is it before or after meals? Kung tatanungin po tayo, it's before meals. So, probably mga 30 minutes po. 30 minutes before meals. So, here, next is your H2 blockers. So, isulat ko ulit po dyan, H2 blockers. So, your H2 blockers, since 2, mag-isip na lang po kayo, since 2 starts with a letter T, lahat ng mga medication na nag-end sa tidine. So, what are your examples of this? Your ranitidine, your cimetidine, and many more. Okay? Since H2 blockers, since meron na yung number 2, it is taken twice a day. So, what is the function of your H2 blockers? It's actually reduces your acid production. Is it again before or after meals? Still before meals. Again, 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes. So this is your PPI and your H2 blockers. Next is your antacids. Your antacids, we have two kinds of your antacids. We have your aluminum hydroxide and your magnesium hydroxide. So if they're going to ask us about the side effects, this is your alang tae and this is your mag tae. So what is this? Your alang tae, your aluminum hydroxide, yung side effect niya po to is constipation. While your magnesium hydroxide, your side effect of this is diarrhea. So kung tatanungin po tayo, kailan po itinitake? Tinitake po to, ito lang po yung after meals. Kung tatanungin ilang oras po ba after meals? 1 to 2 hours after meals. Okay? And if tatanungin ulit tayo, meron bang combination ng aluminum hydroxide and your magnesium hydroxide? Meron po. We have your maalox. Ito yung maalox na combination ng aluminum and magnesium. So, nakokontrol po yung side effect nito. So, again, in your antacids, ang ginagawa po dito, the functions of your antacid, it neutralizes your acid production. Again, in your PPI, ang ginagawa po ng PPI nyo, ito po yung inhibits. While your H2 blockers, it reduces. While your antacid, it neutralizes. So again, your PPI is before, histamine is before meals, and antacid is after meals. So that is it. Thank you.